Oh. Hi everyone. I just got back and I want to do an unboxing for y'all. This is for the Samsung Galaxy Tab A 2019 with the S Pen. So what I got is a new case, and this case comes with a keyboard. So I can finally make it into a mobile device for working. So I have the S Pen and then now I have a keyboard. So let's take a look at it. So there we have it, the smart keyboard case for the Samsung Galaxy Tab A 8.0 2019 model. So it's for P200 and P205, which is this model. And I've done a review of this model before, including gaming. You can check it out at the link I will add in. And to replace this, and so we have to look at this. So this is it. It's a simple case. It's not original from Samsung, but it's a third-party case anyway. So it is a clip-on with the magnetic keyboard. This is a magnetic keyboard. So let's take this out. So this being a magnetic keyboard, it just latch on here and it sticks there. So it has a micro USB for charging. That's all. There's no other ports on this. It's fairly thin and it's very light. And this is a nice case. It's black and rubbery suede finish, but it's not suede, it's just rubbery. Very nice. So what I'll do is I'll take off the Samsung Tab and put it on here. Okay, so the buttons all fit, and that's how it looks like. So now if you want to use keyboard, just pop it in and there you have it. I think it's just this angle, and if you want more angle you can tilt it this way. So it's fairly easy, and it connects via Bluetooth. I'll do the connection first, then you have a look at that. So I have to move it out to a less bright place, and so you can see my typing. It works, and I'm happy because now I can do my documents and do tweets, as well as I have the S Pen to assist me in terms of updating some sketches. At the same time I can write some report. All this on the go. I will reduce my need for carrying a laptop with me when I travel. So with the S Pen and the keyboard, this thing is fantastic. So I just put it in and close it, and that's it. So it's not too thick, it's good enough for me to carry around. So lovely. So I will leave a link for this, as well as where to get it. It's a magnetic keyboard with a case for the Samsung Galaxy Tab A 8.0 with S Pen, so you can make use of it. It's fantastic. So there you have it, the keyboard case for your Samsung Galaxy Tab A 2019 model. It's a handy keyboard case that you can use. So I do recommend this, and I hope you'll give me a thumbs up and follow me on my next video. I'll see you again. So have a nice day.